So I've got this old window unit that I bought years ago when I was still living with my parents. My dad was nice enough to bring it down with him when he came down this way to visit, so I'm going to see if I can fix it up a little bit. It still works, but it's very, very noisy, as you can hear. And when I put it in the window, the whole room vibrates with that compressor. So we'll see if I can't find a way to replace the grommets or something, maybe put some insulation in there and make sure that the compressor is isolated from the rest of the thing. We'll see what happens. Well, I got the cover off, and this thing is dirty. All that fine desert dust back where this thing came from. No, I so miss the smell of rainstorms in the desert when it hits this fine dust and kicks it up, and the smell of ozone from the lightning. Thunderstorms just don't smell the same here in East or North Texas that they do in the desert. I really miss that. Anyway, let's get rid of this dust. There, certainly not perfect by any stretch, but definitely better. Got most of the caked mud crud out of the bottom there. Just a little bit of rust and dirt left. Mostly clean. It'll do. By the way, this is a Sharp AF06 BML. It's 6,000 BTU. 5.2 amps, 60 hertz, 120 volts. Takes R22. But yeah, as you can see, these I guess rubber grommets or whatever you'd call them are just completely destroyed, just dry rotted out, and pretty much useless for damping vibration. You can hear that, especially on this side. You can see it's actually tilted. It should be a little more upright like that. Instead, it's just you can hear the serious vibration there that it's transferring into the frame. Let's see what the compressor is. It's a Mitsubishi compressor. Can't really tell too much. 115 volts, 60 hertz, R22. Yeah, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. That's expected. Alright, so I think I may have a possible idea. I've got these, oh, the pups are eating. Anyway, I've got these feed wheels from an old photo scanner. It's a, a photograph scanner that I picked up from the thrift store and just gutted for parts. and it has these little rubber washers on it. It's not really the right size. Obviously, you know, the center is too large for this, but I'm thinking of just slipping these, you know, just maybe even just cut it open and slip it in underneath this existing mess here, just to get it off of the frame where it's sitting here, vibrating. Just hopefully raise that up enough where what's left of these grommets here can do their job and isolate the vibration. So let me go ahead and try that out and let's see what happens. Alright, so I've got one of these loose, and I've got I just cut a hole around it. I really don't want to take this all apart and lift that compressor off for fear of damaging some of this old copper. I don't want to risk any of this refrigerant leaking. I mean, this is just a cheap project. I don't want to have this repressure or refilled, so I'm just gonna slide this in underneath and then probably just glue it back together, glue the gap back together. Just a quick 10-minute fix. See if I can't get this to make less noise. There, so I got one in. You can see where I just glued it back together there. And this this is coming apart even more, this old gasket here. I don't know what this is made out of, but it's just disgusting, sticky. But yeah, hopefully that little extra bit down there will help isolate this. Alright, so I've got all three new rings on there, just from this. So let's see what the difference is. Much better. Huge improvement. I think that might be just enough improvement to go ahead and put this into the bedroom. So hopefully that'll allow me to get a few more comfortable years out of this unit. Thanks for watching.